And you do this, honey. Because if a girl like you can't win back her man, there's no hope for the rest of us.
Thanks for talking me off the ledge, Prolix. You have no idea how much I needed this.
Now you go